Hello guys and welcome to another car wash video. For tonight we have the legendary VW Golf 7. This is the very humble 1.6 TDI engine, excellent gas mileage, excellent comfort, and overall just a great family car. Let's go. We're gonna start with soapy water just to get everything dirty off first. Alright guys, now the loose dirt is off. We're gonna do the foam here. Now that the foam is on, we can do a safe contact wash. The sound of the foam hitting the ground is so satisfying. Or is it just me? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. As always guys, going from the top down and in straight lines. The badge of honor. That's nasty stuff. That's the rubbing all done. Now we're gonna rinse everything with clean water. Alright, okay guys, now we get to the drying. This is our favorite microfiber towel, which is linked in the description by the way if you want to check it out, as well as all the other products used in the making of this video. These headlights need restoring so bad. Just look. So guys, that is it for tonight. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. Bye for now. Drive safely, please.